Welcome to a new GE Jobcast here on Jobs in Pods, the only podcast where real employers talk about their jobs and tell you what it's like to work there. I'm your host, Krishna Day. Today you're going to be hearing about all the new career opportunities with GE Aviation Systems. They're a leading global provider of electrical power systems, avionics, actuation and landing gear, aerostructures and propeller systems to the builders and operators of military and civil aircraft, helicopters, regional and business jets. The aviation systems business is headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio. In this Jobcast, we're focusing on opportunities in their newest site in Shanghai, China, which will offer full integrated avionics and services for future commercial aircraft programs. And I'm delighted that I'm joined from Shanghai by John, their China engineering leader. Thank you so much for joining us here on Jobs in Pods, John.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to join you.
Now, why don't you tell us all about the kind of work that's being done in the Shanghai location for GE?
Sure. And Krishna, as you know, GE has built very long-term relationships with Chinese airlines and aerospace industries. And our role has evolved into a close partnership. The relationships between us have been very strong and are a partnership in every sense of the word. Our customers respect our advice and expertise, and we globally support them with product support, and certification efforts. They also see the potential for future cooperation. And right now for us, we've talked about in China, for China, and actually we are looking at in China for world. In other words, we are not only looking at how we can develop products for our Chinese customers like Comac and Avic, but also how can we work with China to develop products for other manufacturers around the world. And it's indeed a very exciting time.
That sounds terrific in terms of the new opportunities that are being presented there for GE Aviation Systems. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do in the business? What's the kind of day that you might have typically?
Okay. And I am Aviation Systems engineering leader in China, and currently leading a team to develop avionics systems and products for our customers like Comac. And my day normally starts at 9 with briefings and sometimes with team meetings, and then decide the priorities of our actions, like meetings with customers to discuss the milestones and the new requirements, and planning and allocating resources to make sure our team can meet our commitments to our customers. And at evening time, quite often, I'll have some meetings with our global teams to understand their status and then let us set our project goals and objectives. And of course, I'll find some time to do some exercise in the fitness center, and sometimes to play ping pong with my colleagues.
So it sounds like you have a challenging but actually also very active day, John, over in Shanghai. I get the sense that there's a lot of positive energy in the Shanghai location. Tell us a little bit more about what's going on there, because I know it's the newest location for GE Aviation Systems, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. And Shanghai is a very vibrant metropolitan, and is still growing rapidly. And it's the center, it's a financial center of China, and has lots of high-tech and industries, including domestic and international, attracting talents from all over the country and the rest of the world. In Shanghai, you can easily access to everything, and any modern city can have all kinds of food and entertainment. And within a couple of hour drive, you can have many outdoor activities, and you can visit scenery and historic places. And it indeed I find out it's an excellent place to live, to work, and have fun.
John, you definitely describe it, as you said, a very vibrant location and being in Shanghai. But tell us a little bit more about the GE Aviation Systems premises and offices and what we might see. If we were visiting you today, describe what's around you and what's been going on in terms of the location there.
Our aviation systems team currently located in a brand new building and just built a couple of years ago in east of Shanghai city. Probably 20 minutes to downtown if you take subway, and it's very beautiful surroundings and environment.
John, I understand that you have quite a number of vacancies and opportunities that you're recruiting for at the moment in GE Aviation Systems in Shanghai. Tell me about the kind of positions you're looking to fill and also the kind of people. What is it going to take for somebody to be successful at GE Aviation Systems?
Absolutely. We are currently looking for many talents to join our team and to contribute to the success of avionics system development and the integration for our customer. And specifically, we are looking for experienced avionics engineers and software and hardware engineers, and also fresh graduates in systems engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, and other related areas. GE is a performance-driven company. If you are a positive person, willing to learn, and can continuously expand your domain knowledge and deepen your expertise, of course, if you have team spirit and can work with the team, and if you can deliver, if we as a team can deliver what we promised to our customers, I have no doubt, and you'll be successful at GE.
That sounds terrific in terms of the energy and also the fast growth that you're going through at the moment, John. It sounds like you are very passionate about working for GE and GE Aviation Systems. Why is that the case? Why is it you like working for them?
That's a very good question. GE is a global company with the state-of-art resources. It has many talented people. I like to work with many talented people. And it respects different opinions and cultures and always encourages innovation and excellence. And I know what I'm doing today will be ended up in a brand new aircraft. Someday I'll be flying with. And also, GE provides us continuous education and training, and is committed to our professional growth and advancement that you won't find anywhere else.
If somebody listening to us today is interested in exploring and finding out more about the opportunities and particularly how to apply, what's the best way for them to do so?
To apply, just visit www.geaviation.com/join us.
Oh, that's very simple. We can easily go over there. So let's just repeat that again. It's geaviation.com/join us. John, thank you so much for being available today to tell us about the great opportunities and life in Shanghai with GE Aviation Systems. It sounds like you're in a terrific growth area, very exciting, I'm sure, for you and also the team around you there. That brings us to the end of this edition of Jobs in Pods. And for more GE Jobcasts like this, just click the GE Jobs category link at jobsinpods.com. Remember, everybody, you can subscribe to our Jobcasts also at iTunes. Just do a keyword search for Jobs in Pods over at iTunes. Thanks again for listening.